Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. Today we are going through some more new skincare launches and we're going to weave our way through all the new launches and all the noise that is in the skincare industry right now. And we're going to take a look at these products and I'm going to let you know whether I'm interested in buying them or not, whether I think they're worth your money or not, and hopefully just guide you through the fast fashion world of skincare. As always, these are just my personal opinions as a consumer, not a professional in any way, and even if I say I have no interest in these products, that doesn't prevent them from being sent to me in PR and then trying them and maybe loving them. But also if you like the look of them, you should go ahead and buy them. Skincare is about funsies, but also do let me know if you actually want me to try any of these products. I'm here to try the products and spend the money on products so you don't have to. So let's just start off with the Herbivore Botanicals new launches. There's 3 of them. We have the Cocoa Rose Soft Glow Body Oil. I'm just going to say now, I don't use body oil. I don't like it. I don't like the smell of rose. Won't be buying this. It's $38. We have the Pink Cloud Soft Moisture Cream at $44, as well as the Aquarius Pore Purifying BHA Cream at $44 as well. All very pricey for products that sometimes can go moldy. So so there's maybe one product that I really love from Herbivore, right? And that's like their Prism something serum. I absolutely loved it, used it up. It was an exfoliating serum. And I love how the products look. I just want them all on display. I want to eat them. They look so good. But I just don't like their preservative system. Every product I had, other than the serum, went very odd in a month's, in like the space of a month. I didn't want to put them on my skin. It just didn't feel safe. Just put parabens in my products. I don't care. Just put them in there. Fuck's sake. Let's look at the Pink Cloud Soft Moisture Cream. In all honesty, it looks like a decent moisturizer. So we have Trumella Mushroom in here, which is something that everyone's using. It's basically supposed to be a natural alternative to hyaluronic acid, even though the majority of hyaluronic acid is natural. Vegan Squalane and Moroccan Rose being the other 2 highlighted ingredients. There's nothing stand out to me in here. As I mentioned, everyone's using the mushroom. It looks fine. $44 worth of fine? I don't think so. It's not for me. I also hate the smell of rose. Like I said, it just smells old. It's a decent looking moisturizer. If you're a fan of this brand and your skin is dry, you might like this. What I am slightly interested in is the Pore Purifying BHA Cream. This looks like my thing. We have Willow Bark in here as the BHA, which I personally love. Is one of my favorite gentler exfoliants. Great for people with oily skin and black hairs. We also have Zinc PCA, which is great to help with excess sebum production and smaller breakouts as well. Glycerin, Squalane, Aloe, Green Tea, Witch Hazel, which I'm not angry about. It doesn't look bad. It's pricey and I'm not sure it's worth the price. I've got toners which will pretty much do the same thing and supply that same hydration along with equal exfoliating power. But I don't know, what do you think? What do you think? Should I get it? I'm not sure. I do tend to love my exfoliation in a toner rather than anything else, but I do like the look of this one. I don't know. The next product is from I'm From. We haven't heard anything from them for a while. This is their Pear Soothing Pad and Serum. They've lost me here. They've completely lost me. I was hanging on by a thread with the fig stuff. I kind of liked one of the fig products, but pear, it's verging the line of gimmicky now. I think when you're using fruit and vegetables and food within skincare, it can come across quite gimmicky, and they've kind of crossed that line to me now. Rice, mugwort, honey, perfect. Some of my favorite products of all time are from I'm From. The honey mask, amazing. Love it, love it, love it. But pear, it feels like a reach to me. It feels like a reach and very gimmicky. There's not that much behind pear and what it could do for your skin. I feel like it's not been popular for a reason, you know? I'm From say that this is a hydrating serum containing vegetable hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Fine. Sounds hydrating, so it may just be a nice hydrating serum. And pads, they do the pads as well, but I do feel the pear is just like, what fruit can we pick next, you know? When you look at a pear, the fruit pear, it does have some vitamin A in it and vitamin C and antioxidants as well. But we know when it comes to natural ingredients within skincare, those aren't always consistent. You don't know how much is going to be in there. I wouldn't be reaching for a pear for my vitamin A. or vitamin C. Looking at the other ingredients, it's a cute hydrating serum, but that's really it for me. This is a no. I think it's a reach. I think it's a bit gimmicky. It's verging on tacky when I think I'm From is such a, I don't know, it's just like a cool brand. But this is just like, if they do tomato next, it's over. Let's talk about the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. I don't want to like this brand. I say it every time and I don't know why. Unfortunately, I tend to like their products. This is an overnight cream version of the Indigo cream, which I own, and to be honest, I quite like. I do feel it's needlessly expensive, but it does wonders for my skin. My skin loves Tatcha. It does. The Indigo cream is so nicely soothing. It really does bring the redness and irritation levels of my skin right down. What I don't like about the Indigo cream though is it feels drying. Just dry. It's not drying, it just feels dry on the skin. With this cream, I can calm my skin, but it's not going to moisturize my skin in any way or hydrate my skin in any way either. So I will wake up with very tight feeling dehydrated skin, but redness and irritation is gone. The Indigo Overnight Repair cream, however, looks like the opposite of that. It's got this serum moisturizer blend, almost like a gel cream, soft, hydrating, moisturizing with ceramides for repair, indigo extract, which helps soothe and calm. And this is also fragrance free like the other Indigo cream, so it's one of very few Tatcha products that doesn't have that overwhelming signature fragrance. We are missing the Colloidal Oatmeal in here, which for me is why the Indigo cream is so soothing, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So I will be buying this, I think. Tax it, I'll tax it. Desi Skin Do Me Over Prep Set and Refresh Continuous Mist. So this is only the second product from Desi Skin, a relatively new brand created by a YouTuber. The other product being the Claro QC Vitamin C Glow Serum, which I haven't touched. It remains unopened. Yeah, in fact, I don't know where it is. I've just not reached for it. I've not reached for it. So naturally, I kind of just like skimmed past the new launch. At first, taking a closer look at the product, it looks fine. This is a mist in a continuous spray bottle, which does look good, more environmentally friendly and easier to recycle. And this is marketed as a mist that helps strengthen and balance your skin. It contains a vitamin C in the form of ethyl ascorbic acid, AHA in the form of citric acid, and hyaluronic acid, along with so many fruit extracts and antioxidants. We have ceramides and cholesterol and glycerin in here as well. So many nice skin identical ingredients. But to be honest with you, I'm just not interested. I don't think there's anything new or revolutionary here. The most interesting part of this brand is the packaging and the continuous spray bottle. But again, that's not anything new. To be honest, it's a mist that I've seen before with these ingredients at a price point that is above, you know, a little bit on the pricier side. I have bought mists for this same price. So yeah, knock yourself out if you want to buy it. You know what? There are just some brands that I'm not interested in, and that's absolutely fine. Maybe they'll launch something in the future that will pull me in. But I just think in a world where skincare has really taken off and people are looking for the new, most interesting thing, what's the best new ingredients? What's the new science behind this ingredient or this product? You know, show us something new. Not that I think that's a good thing, that's just how it is. I just don't think a vitamin C serum and a mist cuts it nowadays. I really don't. So for a brand to launch with these two products, I find it a little bit, it's fine. You know, I don't know. Let me know if you will purchase any of these products, or if you want me to purchase any of these products. I will do that for you and I will review it in the future. You can check out some more product reviews here and some general light entertainment here, and I will see you over there.